How was your game today?
I think this game for Baia Mare was very, very good. Not win, but Baia Mare look what is good, what is not good, and Baia Mare have now too much work, but have time.
A little bit tired after the sport?
maybe because now is make so much play and the games and the training, because now is the beginning. And we need the Super Cup here, and this game for us is very, very good game, but lost too much energy and power. And Rostov for me is very, very good club, team, and strong team.
Okay, it was a good training for your team regarding the fact that you will try to play again in Champions League this year?
Of course, because now Baia Mare want to make games, but strong, really strong games, yes, because they have the quality from Champions League. Stay here these 3 days and play this tournament is very, very important for us.
Is it possible to play with Rostov in the Champions League group?
I hope, because now I learn a little. I know Rostov is very, very strong, but I have possibility.
Thank you.
Okay? Thank you.